It's 4 p.m. It might not be snowing out anymore, but I am still here on a Brooklyn rooftop with the Barclays Center over my shoulder, and it is indeed happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks, they surged on Wednesday after the U.S. Federal Reserve said it will indeed cut its monetary stimulus, with Wall Street taking in the central bank's projection that the labor market would continue to improve. The Fed went on to say that it would start to taper its bond buying program to $75 billion a month from $85 billion a month, an initial move to unwinding the stimulus that was put in place to help the economy rebound from the recession. At a news conference, Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke stated that the central bank would likely make similar moderate steps at future meetings, so long as the data supported such moves. The Dow Jones Industrial Average today jumping as much as 218 points, a jump that had it less than 4 points from its record closing high. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both rising, with healthcare and energy the best performing of the sectors. For every share falling more than 3 rows over at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon, and let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this very busy session. In the other markets, the U.S. dollar declined slightly against its counterparts. Gold futures for February delivery settling in at $12.35 an ounce. That's up 0.4%. And January crude oil adding 0.6% to end at $97.80 a barrel. Meanwhile, on the economic front, housing starts jumping to a near 6-year high in November in the latest showing of strength in the U.S. housing market. And in the corporate front, we had shares of Ford Motor Company falling sharply after the company projected lower pre-tax profit in 2014. Lennar went on to report a 13% increase in quarterly orders, and AMC Entertainment rallied in the movie theater operator's very first day as a public company. So there it is. Grab your drink. It's past the midweek point here in New York City and across the world, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm a very cold James Finney.